chemical properties of nitro compounds. Reaction with nitrous acid. Reaction with nitrous acid. Reaction with nitrous acid. Primary nitroalkane or CH2NO2. This is primary nitroalkane. Now this primary nitroalkane reacts with nitrous acid HNO2. Removal of water, it gives RNO, hydrogen, and N double bond O, oxygen. Nitrous O compound, or it is also called as nitrolic acid. Nitrolic acid. Now this nitrolic acid undergoes tautomerism. Tautomerism, it gives NO double bond NOH, here oxygen. Okay, so both are tautomeric structures, nitrolic acid. Now this nitrolic acid further reacts with base like NaOH. It gives RCNO, a double bond NONA, and oxygen. Okay, this is the red color salt formation. This is a red color salt. Means primary nitro compounds on treatment with nitrous acid and followed by base, red color salt is obtained. Similarly, here secondary nitroalkane, alkyl group, hydrogen and NO2. This is secondary nitroalkane. Now this secondary nitroalkane is treated with nitrous acid HNO2. Dehydration takes place. It gives nitrous O compound only, NO, alkyl group, and N double bond O, oxygen. After that, there is no tautomerism because of absence of hydrogen. So therefore, here further no tautomerism reaction. No tautomerism. Okay, no tautomerism reaction. Okay, this is nitrolic acid without base reaction. Similarly, tertiary nitro compound, alkyl group, N double bond O, oxygen, plus HNO2, nitrous acid, here also no reaction because of lack of alpha hydrogens. So this is tertiary nitroalkane. So primary nitroalkanes produces red color salt. Secondary nitroalkane, it is a blue color solution formation. Now this is also blue in color. But tertiary nitroalkanes does not react with nitrous acid, means here no reaction, means it is a colorless or white color tertiary nitroalkane. Now this reaction is called as red color primary nitroalkane, secondary nitroalkane blue color, and tertiary colorless or white color. So primary nitroalkanes on treatment with nitrous acid and followed by base, it gives red color solution. If secondary nitroalkane is treated with nitrous acid, blue color solution. Tertiary, no reaction with nitrous acid, colorless or white color. So primary are finally produced by red color salt solution. Secondary nitroalkanes are produced by blue color solution and tertiary white color. Hence, this reaction is also called as red blue white reaction. It is also called as a red blue white reaction. This reaction is also called as red blue white reaction. Okay, this is a reaction with nitrous acid, red blue white reaction. Reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction of nitro compounds. Reduction. Yes, here nitro compounds. A reduction with H2 by nickel catalyst or lithium aluminum hydride. This NO2 group is reduced to amine or NH2 amine formation. Nitro compound is reduced to amine in the presence of H2 by nickel or lithium aluminum hydride. For example, if you take nitromethane CH3NO2 in the presence of lithium aluminum hydride, it is given by methyl amine CH3NH2. Similarly, hydrolysis of nitro compounds. Here R CH2NO2. This is nitro compound. This nitro compound upon hydrolysis in the presence of acid, hydrolysis, now this carbon is converted into carboxylic acid or COOH, carboxylic acid formation. Reduction of nitro compounds, amines formation, and hydrolysis of nitro compounds produced by carboxylic acids. Next, named reactions of nitro compounds. Named reactions. Neff reaction. Neff reaction. Neff reaction. Sodium salt of primary and secondary nitroalkanes. Sodium salt of primary and secondary nitroalkanes reacts with sulfuric acid H2SO4, sulfuric acid at 0 degree centigrade to form aldehydes and ketones respectively. Aldehydes and ketones respectively. Okay, this reaction is known as, this reaction is called as Neff reaction. This reaction is called as Neff reaction. Okay, what is Neff reaction? Sodium salt of primary and secondary nitroalkanes reacts with sulfuric acid at 0 degree centigrade temperature to produce aldehydes and ketones. Sodium salt of primary nitroalkane is produced by aldehyde, and sodium salt of secondary nitroalkane is produced by ketone. This reaction is called as Neff reaction. Okay, so a chemical reaction RCH double bond NO Na here oxygen. This is the sodium salt of primary nitroalkane. It is a sodium salt of primary nitroalkane. The sodium salt of primary nitroalkanes reacts with sulfuric acid at 0 degree centigrade temperature, and followed by hydrolysis, it gives aldehydes formation plus nitrous oxide formation N2O, and the sodium bisulfate is also produces and formation of water. Okay, these are the byproducts, but your major product in this reaction is aldehyde formation. Okay, this is aldehyde. So sodium salt of primary nitroalkanes reacts with sulfuric acid at 0 degree centigrade temperature, it gives aldehydes. Similarly, secondary nitroalkane, alkyl group, your alkyl group double bond NO Na, your oxygen. Okay, this is the sodium salt of secondary nitroalkane. Sodium salt of secondary nitroalkane is treated with sulfuric acid at 0 degree centigrade temperature. It is given by ketone RCO or ketone. Similarly, byproduct is nitrous oxide and sodium bisulfate plus water H2O. Okay, this reaction is called as ketone. This is known as ketone. Okay, so second, sodium salt of secondary nitroalkanes reacts with sulfuric acid. It is given by ketone. So this reaction is called as Neff reaction. Condensation with aldehydes. Condensation with carbonyl compounds. Condensation with carbonyl compounds. Yes, condensation with carbonyl compounds RCH2NO2. This is nitro compound. Aldehydes, reduction, condensation with aldehydes RC double bond OH. In the presence of sodium hydroxide, a removal of alpha hydrogens and oxygens, dehydration takes place. It gives RCH double bond C alkyl group and NO2. C double bond C here NO2. RCH double bond C R group and NO2 group. It is the nitroalkene formation. This is nitroalkene. So when aldehydes or ketones are condensation with nitroalkanes, it gives nitroalkene. Okay, and another one is Michael addition. Michael addition reaction. Okay, Michael addition reaction. So Michael addition reaction means nitroalkenes are CH double bond CH NO2. This is nitroalkene. Nitroalkene. This nitroalkene reacts with nitroalkane. Nitroalkane like this CH3NO2. Nitroalkene reacts with nitroalkane. Then what happens here? Due to the presence of electron withdrawing group, hydrogen is plus, carbon is negative. Okay, now here this pair of electrons are shifted towards NO2. As a result, this carbon atom gets positive charge, it is negative charge. So this negatively charged carbon is condensed with positively charged part, and this H plus ion is attached to carbon. Then it becomes RCH. Here CH2 NO2 group. CH2 NO2. A double bond becomes single bond CH2 NO2. This is NO2 group and NO2 group. So dinitro compound is obtained. Dinitro compound or dinitroalkane formation takes place. Okay, this reaction is called as Michael addition reaction. What is Michael addition reaction? Nitroalkane addition with nitroalkene is addition with nitroalkane. Alkene. Nitroalkene is added to nitroalkane. It gives dinitro compound. This reaction is said to be Michael addition. Okay, condensation with carbonyl compounds and Michael addition reaction. Another one is Monich reaction. Monich reaction. A Monich reaction, in this primary amine is the essential requirement, primary amine plus formaldehyde HCHO and nitroalkane. Okay, these three compounds, primary amine and formaldehyde, essential requirement in the Monich reaction. Now nitroalkane reacts with formaldehyde and primary amine. Nitroalkane or CH2NO2. This is nitroalkane. When nitroalkane is treated with formaldehyde HCHO, okay, its name is formaldehyde formation. Nitroalkane plus formaldehyde and primary amine NH2R. This is called as primary amine. So nitroalkane reacts with formaldehyde and primary amine. Dehydration takes place. Removal of water. It gives RCHNO2 and CH2NHR. Okay, so nitro compound and here also secondary amino group containing compound. This reaction is called as Monich reaction. Okay, what is Monich reaction? When nitroalkanes are treated with formaldehyde and primary amine, it gives amino and nitro group containing compound. This reaction is known as Monich reaction. And another one is aromatic nitro compounds. Aromatic nitro compounds. Aromatic nitro compounds. Aromatic nitro compounds. Best example is nitrobenzene. Best example nitrobenzene. Aromatic nitro compounds. Best example nitrobenzene. Preparation methods. Preparation methods of nitrobenzene, nitro compounds. First one is benzene nitration reaction. Benzene nitration. Benzene reacts with concentrated HNO3, concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid. So benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid at 50 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature to produce nitrobenzene. This is called as nitrobenzene, aromatic nitro compound nitrobenzene. So when benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid and sulfuric acid at 50 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature, electrophilic substitution reaction takes place to form nitrobenzene. Similarly, here concentrated nitric acid, concentrated HNO3 plus H2SO4 at 100 degrees centigrade temperature, dinitrobenzene formation takes place. NO2, NO2, meta dinitrobenzene, okay, meta dinitrobenzene formation. If this nitrating mixture is treated with fuming nitric acid, fuming nitric acid. Fuming nitric acid means more than 100 degrees centigrade temperature. More than 100 degrees centigrade temperature is applied. Here NO2 groups, more number of NO2 groups are introducing on the benzene ring. So therefore, here trinitrobenzene is obtained. NO2 group, here NO2 and this is NO2 group. Okay, it is called as trinitrobenzene. Okay, trinitrobenzene formation. When benzene reacts with nitrating mixture at 50 to 60, nitrobenzene formation. Benzene with nitrating mixture at 100 degrees centigrade, meta-dinitrobenzene. Benzene with fuming nitric acid or more than 100 degrees centigrade, trinitrobenzene formation takes place. What happened here? By increasing the temperature, more number of NO2 groups introduced on the benzene system. Okay, this is the preparation method of nitro compounds from benzene. And the second method is from aniline. Okay, nitrobenzene reaction mechanism. Direct reaction, benzene reacts with concentrated nitric acid plus sulfuric acid at 50 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature. It is given by nitrobenzene, NB, nitrobenzene. Okay, for this reaction mechanism, first step is, step 1 is formation of electrophile. Okay, formation of electrophile. Nitric acid reacts with sulfuric acid to form electrophile. HNO3, this is nitric acid, plus sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It gives protonated nitric acid, N2, protonated nitric acid plus HSO4 minus. This protonated nitric acid is less stable, therefore immediately it is produced by NO2 plus electrophile plus water. So the involving electrophile is NO2 plus nitronium ion or nitronium electrophile. Nitronium ion electrophile, it is a positive electrophile. Then go for in step 2. In step 2, the NO2 electrophile is attacks on benzene ring. So here it is benzene ring C6H6 plus NO2 plus electrophile. These pi bonded electrons are donates to nitronium ion, NO2 plus electrophile. As a result, this NO2 electrophile is attacks on benzene ring and hydrogen, loss of electrons, adjacent carbon gets positive charge. Now these pi bonded electrons are involved in the resonance. It gives one more compound, a double bond, positive charge and NO2 group hydrogen. Now these pi bonded electrons are shifted between the two carbons. Here double bond and hydrogen, NO2 positive charge. This is one more resonance structure. Okay, then what happen here? And these two electrons are shifted to adjacent carbon, H plus ion releases. Okay, the second step is called as formation of sigma complex intermediate. Formation of sigma complex intermediate. Okay, formation of sigma complex intermediate or uranium ion intermediate. Formation of sigma complex intermediate or uranium ion intermediate. This is step 2. In step 3, removal of proton or removal of electrophile. Removal of proton or electrophile. Removal of proton or electrophile. So if you take any one structure from this resonance structure, this is a double bond and a double bond, NO2 group, hydrogen, positive charge. Now these sigma bonded electrons between carbon hydrogen sigma bonded electrons involved in the resonance, as a result it gives nitrobenzene, double bond, here NO2 group plus H plus. This compound is called as nitrobenzene formation. Initially benzene is taken, it is treated with nitric acid and sulfuric acid at 50 to 60 degrees centigrade temperature. Finally we are getting nitrobenzene. So this nitrobenzene formation is carried out in 3 steps. Step 1, formation of electrophile. Step 2, formation of sigma complex intermediate. Step 3, removal of electrophile. Now among these 3 steps, slow step is the second step. Second step is a slow step. First step is also a fast step and third step is also fast step. So which one is helpful to determine the rate of reaction? Slow step is a rate determining step. Therefore Rate is directly proportional to rate is less electrophile. So two molecules are involved in this one, therefore it is 2. Here electrophile is substituted, therefore E means electrophile, substitution means S. So the overall reaction is known as SE2 reaction. Okay, the overall reaction is called as SE2 reaction. Okay, what is mean by SE2 reaction? 2 means bimolecular, E means electrophile, S means substitution. Bimolecular electrophilic substitution reaction. So all electrophilic reactions or electrophilic substitution reactions on benzene belongs to SE2 reactions. Okay, what is mean by SE2? Bimolecular electrophilic substitution reactions. This bimolecular electrophilic substitution reaction takes place in 3 steps: formation of electrophile, formation of sigma complex intermediate, removal of proton or removal of electrophile. So 2 steps are fast steps, second step is the slow step. Slow step is a rate determining step. In this rate determining step, only 2 reactant molecules are present, therefore it is 2, and electrophile, one electrophile is substituted by another electrophile, H plus electrophile is substituted by NO2 plus electrophile, therefore E, S means substitution. Overall the reaction is called as bimolecular electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, this is the reaction mechanism for benzene nitration. The preparation of nitrobenzene, from aniline. Second method, from aniline. Aniline on treatment with trifluoroacetic acid, CF3COOH, trifluoroacetic acid. This amino group is converted into nitro group. Okay, this is called as nitrobenzene. Okay, aniline is oxidized with trifluoroacetic acid to form nitrobenzene. Yes, and third one is from diazonium salt. Yes, from diazonium salt, benzene diazonium salt N2 plus HbF4. Okay, this benzene diazonium salt is treated with potassium nitrite KNO2 in the presence of copper. The N2 group is released, nitrogen is releases, and NO2 group is introduced on the benzene system. N2 plus boron trifluoride plus HF. Okay, this is nitrobenzene preparation from benzene and from aniline and from diazonium salts. Okay, these are the preparation methods of aromatic nitro compounds. The chemical properties of nitro compounds. Okay, these are very, very important chemical properties. Chemical properties of nitro compound or nitrobenzene. Chemical properties of nitrobenzene. chemical properties of nitrobenzene. Okay, these are very, very important for competitive exams. Yes, nitrobenzene NO2 group. Okay, it is a nitrobenzene. Okay, right. Nitrobenzene on treatment with zinc plus ammonium chloride, zinc plus NH4Cl. Nitrobenzene reacts with zinc plus NH4Cl. It is called as neutral medium. Neutral medium. In the presence of neutral medium, it gives phenyl-hydroxylamine, formation of phenyl-hydroxylamine, C6H5NHOH. Phenyl-hydroxylamine. Okay, when nitrobenzene reacts with zinc plus NH4Cl in the presence of neutral medium, it gives phenyl-hydroxylamine. And another one, metal plus HCl or metal plus HCl or H2 by nickel. It is given by aniline, C6H5NH2. The name of the compound is aniline. Okay, next here nitrobenzene on treatment with NaBH4, sodium borohydride or glucose, sodium borohydride or glucose, it is given by azoxybenzene. Okay, this is called as azoxybenzene, formation of azoxybenzene formation. Okay, it is azoxybenzene, NaBH4 or glucose. And another one is zinc plus alcoholic methanolic KOH or NaOH, alcoholic KOH, zinc plus alcoholic KOH or lithium aluminum hydride, it is given by azobenzene, N double bond N and benzene ring. This is called as azobenzene formation, azobenzene. Okay, azobenzene formation. And similarly, now this nitrobenzene is treated with zinc plus aqueous KOH, zinc plus aqueous KOH. Zinc plus aqueous KOH, it is known as neutral basic medium. It is considered as basic medium. It is basic medium. And metal plus HCl is acidic medium. It is a acidic medium. Okay, acidic medium. Yes, zinc plus aqueous KOH is given by hydrazobenzene, C6H5NH, here also NH and C6H5. This is called as hydrazobenzene. The name of the compound is hydrazobenzene formation. Okay, hydrazobenzene formation. Okay, once again, so these are the very, very important chemical properties for IIT, JEE or NEET exams. Very, very, very important. Okay, nitrobenzene. Here this is nitrobenzene. NO2 group. Now this nitrobenzene reacts with zinc plus ammonium chloride. Zinc plus NH4Cl is considered as neutral medium. So in the presence of neutral medium, nitrobenzene is converted into phenyl hydroxylamine. Similarly, this nitrobenzene reacts with metal plus HCl or H2 by nickel. So now this reagent is considered as acidic medium. So in the presence of acidic medium, nitrobenzene is converted into aniline. Similarly, nitrobenzene reacts with NaBH4, sodium borohydride or glucose. It is given by azoxybenzene. And nitrobenzene upon treatment with zinc and alcoholic KOH or lithium aluminum hydride, it gives azobenzene formation. Similarly, this nitrobenzene reacts with zinc plus aqueous KOH. Here it is alcoholic KOH. Alcoholic KOH, azobenzene formation. Aqueous KOH is basic medium. In the presence of basic medium, it is given by hydrazobenzene. Okay, these are very, very important. Nitrobenzene with neutral medium, phenyl hydroxylamine formation. Nitrobenzene with acidic medium, aniline formation. Nitrobenzene, NaBH4 or glucose, azoxybenzene formation. Nitrobenzene, zinc alcoholic KOH, azobenzene, and nitrobenzene with zinc aqueous KOH, basic medium, hydrazobenzene formation. Okay, these are very, very important chemical properties of nitrobenzene.